Where does the name for Rhosnesni come from? So today I'm hiding under a sycamore tree in Rhosnesni because I keep getting absolutely soaked by the rain. It's part of Acton in Wrexham. Let's get into the name. So let's break the name down. It's made of two parts. First we have Rhos, which means a moor or a heath, and that's probably from the Proto-Celtic word Rhostos, which meant a promontory or a wood. And then we have Nesni, and Nesni appears to be a person's name, but who they are has been lost to time. The original village grew up around the toll gate on the road to Holt, which is now a cottage. Villages often grew around toll gates. The toll collectors needed accommodation, which created a built environment, whilst other services like inns, stables and shops emerged to serve the constant flow of people and goods passing through. After Aston Estate, with its centre at Aston Hall, was broken up in the 1950s, the land was bought by private developers and turned into housing. So the name literally means Nesni's moor. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.